All right, y'all, we're going to insert an image today. We're going to the toolbar. The toolbar's up at the top. 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4 is insert. We are going to click on insert and bring down the menu. Click on image and we're going to search the web. You will see that another window opens up to the right side for Google. And these are images that you can use in your Google Slides without giving attribution. That means that you don't have to give credit. In here, we are going to type in ball. We are going to search for a ball. The ball brings up soccer ball, volleyball. All right, we're going to click on whatever ball you want. You see that it has a blue circle with a white arrow in it, and that means that it's highlighted. Once it's highlighted, down at the bottom, it'll say one selected in a blue bar. If you select more than one, it will just keep adding the numbers. You can click on the one you don't want to select and it'll deselect it. We're going to click on insert, and it's going to insert this ball. Oh my goodness, it's huge. We can resize it. We can resize it by taking our mouse. When you scroll over the ball, you'll see either a plus with 2 arrows. If you go to the outer edge, you'll see a line with an arrow on either side, and that's what we want. We want to take the arrow at the corner. Make sure to take it at the corner, and you can get larger with it or smaller with it. This will keep the correct shape of the object. We want to make sure that we put the ball resized into our your turn. Inserted an image of a ball. We resized it to fit, and now we're going to add a border. And a border is like a picture frame. It's going to frame in what we just inserted, the image. We're going to frame the image. We go up to our toolbar again, always at our toolbar. Where you see the little pencil, there are 3 lines, and they get bigger as they get taller as they go up. We're going to click on the 3 arrows, and this is the size of your border, how thick it'll be. Well, I would like to put it on 3. I'm going to have, this is the border color, the pencil right next to those lines, and I am going to change it to be purple because I like purple. You change it to be whatever color you want it to be. And that's how you insert an image and put a border around it.